kind of gold. Mirror smile, yeah, never gets old. I wear my vibe like denim jeans. No need to flex when you're this clean. Cause yeah. They say chill, I say glow. They play cool, I just flow. Different fonts, same page. I write life my own way. Oh, this is like me, yeah. I feel like me, light and free. Don't need a reason just to be. I talk soft, but I dream loud. Head up, feet on solid ground. I dance off beat, still on time. My life's messy, but it shines. I feel like me, and that's enough. A little weird, a lot of love, yeah. Playlist on, I walk the beat. AirPods in, world on repeat. No script, no lines to say. I freestyle every day. It's a some paint in black and white. I fill my sky with neon light. I'm not loud, but I'm clear. I bring peace when I appear. Oh, living up me, yeah. I feel like me, light and free. Don't need a reason just to be. I talk soft, but I dream loud. Head up, feet on solid ground. I dance off beat, still on time. My life's messy, but it shines. I feel like me, and that's enough. A little weird, a lot of love, yeah. I'm not trying to impress, yeah, but still I glow, no stress. I'm not lost, I just roam, and everywhere feels like home. I feel like me, I feel like me, and I'm alright. Chillin' steady, sleeping tight. No disguise, no plan B. I'm not perfect, I'm just me. Yeah, feeling like me today, and that's kinda awesome. Straight it up. Alarm went late, I'm still on track. Spilled my drink, but I laugh at that. Missed the bus, I walk instead. Got my playlist in my head. I don't need a plan to shine. The mess just makes the colors mine. Even if the sky turns gray, I'll dance the clouds away. It's a good day anyway, no matter what they say. Got my own kind of sunshine. Even in the rain, I'll smile in my way. That's how I play, turning little things into something great. Text came late, but I'm not mad. I've learned the rush just steals the glad. I move slow, but I still arrive. Cause my vibe's my own drive. I'm not here to match their speed. I'm just giving me what I need. Even when the rules don't fit, I'll just rewrite all of it. It's a good day anyway, no matter what they say. Got my own kind of sunshine. Even in the rain, I'll smile in my own way. I don't wait for perfect time. I make my own headline. It's a good day anyway, no matter what they say. I'll keep my colors bright, never fade to gray. I'll smile in my way, come what may. Yeah, it's my life, and I'm okay. Got a little gray, got a little calm. Still got that fire just in my palm. Walking slower, but I glide. Learn to ride the quiet side. No rush, no race. Just this groove, just this phase. They can keep their youthful chase. I got depth, I got grace. I'm better with time, no rewind needed. Every step I take feels undefeated. Not trying to be who I was before. I'm cooler now, I'm so much more. Oh, 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 oh. I don't fake shine, I just glow. Older, bolder, in control. Watch me now, I'm in my prime. A little worn, but I'm better with time. Used to prove, now I just be. No filters, just clarity. All my flaws, they're part of me. That's grown man energy. Let them chase their perfect plan. I'll be over here just being a man. No costume, no disguise. Just that don't need your place kind of ride. I'm better with time, no rewind needed. Every step I take feels undefeated. Not trying to be who I was before. I'm cooler now, I'm so much more. I don't fake shine, I just glow. Older, bolder, in control. Watch me now, I'm in my prime. A little worn, but I'm better with time. Every year adds another line, but each one draws a smoother rhyme. I age like style, I age like sound. I fade and just turn down. I'm better with time, like a slow jam rolling. Pop so smooth, got the whole room glowing. Not stuck in what I used to be, just me refined, wild and free. Wake up with no plan, just coffee and a silly dance. Mirror says you're kinda weird. I wink and say, damn right, my dear. No go, no rush, no boss. Just me in my socks. Vibes loud, mind's light. I'm not wrong, I'm just right. I was born to bounce, no shame and joy. Laugh out loud like a rebel boy. Move like life's a beat, not a job. Even silence I make pop. Oh, 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 oh. I was born to bounce, no rules in sight. I glow better when I'm out of light. No reason needed, no applause. I dance just because. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Bills can wait, mood can't. Stress don't stick, I chant. Breathe, blink, boogie now. That's my sacred holy vow. I don't hustle for a post, I just vibe where I'm the most. Joy's a muscle, I work out one skip and I'm back loud. I was born to bounce, no shame and joy. Laugh out loud like a rebel boy. Move like life's a beat, not a job. Even silence I make pop. Oh, 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 oh. I was born to bounce, no rules in sight. I glow better when I'm out of light. No reason needed, no applause. I dance just because. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. I'm not I'm just full of color, noise, and inner pull. So if you see me jump and shout, that's me, just letting it out. I was born to bounce. I was born to bounce, built this way. I don't dim, I radiate. You grind, I glide, you stress, I slide. I'm not wrong, I just decide. Didn't brush my hair, still look fine. Coffee spilled, but I'm on time. Walking slow, no need to rush. Vibe so light, don't even blush. They chase flash, I keep it plain. They change lanes, I ride my lane. I don't flex, I just exist. Somehow that's what they all missed. I'm cool without trying, don't need a script. Woke up like this, no filter quit. I laugh weird, I think deep, dreaming chaos, still I sleep. I dress loud, talk soft, kinda random, kinda lost, but I'm cool in my own key. Just like that, I feel like me. Still got stickers on my case, voice cracking, but I love the bass. Saying things that don't make sense, but I make weird feel like elegance. They wear gold, I rock clay. They talk straight, I loop my way. Nothing perfect, and that's the charm. I'm chill, rain, not loud alarm. Cool without trying, just being me. Broke my vibe in lowercase free. I trip up, I freestyle, messed up plans, but lived in style. I show up, I don't pose, not too much, but it still shows that I'm cool in my own key. A little strange, a lot of free, yeah. Maybe I'm not your top 10, but I'm the plot twist in the end, yeah. Maybe I don't fit your grid, but I'm the beat you can't predict. I'm cool without trying, don't need a crown. Still got the room, feeling upside down. I don't chase, I just float. Roll my life on a crumpled note. I laugh loud, dream slow. Got my own kind of glow. I'm not perfect, but I'm free. That's enough to feel like me. Spotlight needed, room shifts like it's all scripted. No chains, no flex, just tone. Still they all ask what's he on. I don't shout, I don't flash, but I leave that subtle splash. They double take, but I don't mind. I'm just walking, chilling mine. Ooh, all eyes elite, land on me like background music. You can't unsee, no loud, cause there's no big noise, but I'm still the real choice. Smooth like silence in a scene. You don't know why, but you feel me. No hype, just real energy. All I subtly, yeah, that's me. Yeah, yeah, that's me. Still wear tees, not designer tags, but my vibe still pops like flash. Got that can't explain it grace. I don't chase, I set the pace. Watch them try to copy, chill, but for school just don't thrill. They want loud, I just be still, lie on the frequency. All I salute, land on me like background music. You can't unsee, no loud, cause there's no big noise, but I'm still the real choice. Smooth like silence in a scene. You don't know why, but you feel me. No hype, just real energy. All I salute, yeah, that's me. quietly unfolds. I don't enter, I arrive, and somehow I shift the vibe. All I subtly land on me like a hook stuck. Mentally I move light, I live free but I shine effortlessly. Cool as calm, cool as deep, and I'm cool in my own key. No act, no need to be seen. All I subtly still on me. Yeah, I got flaws, that's just me. Don't need a filter, I let it be. Some like noise, I move in peace. I don't perform, I breathe and speak. Good to the night, no schedule to impress. No pressure to be less. If I vibe, I vibe. If not, I slide, I'm good as I am. Don't need no fix. Soften my tone, sharp with my wit. No act to play, no mask to wear. I'm the mood, I'm the air. I go slow, I go loud. Sometimes lost, but I'm still proud. I don't chase, I attract. That's my era, that's a fact. Yeah, yeah. Text me later, I might reply. Not rude, just guarding my vibe. Used to care what people see. Now I post what's real to me. You're good enough, no need to play pretend. I'm not a trend to bend. I do soft, I do bold. Let my own story unfold. I'm good as I am, don't need no fix. Soften my tone, sharp with my wit. No act to play, no mask to wear. I'm the mood, I'm the air. I go slow, I go loud. Sometimes lost, but I'm still proud. I don't chase, I attract. That's my era, that's a fact. Yeah, 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 yeah. Lights low, thoughts high, scrolling dreams past midnight. But I ain't lonely, I'm aligned. Build my world on my own time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm good as I am, no apologies. My way, my beat, my energy. No, there's no need to fake. This is me, wide awake. I go soft, I go loud. I'm not perfect, but I'm proud. I'm not more, I'm not less. I'm just me, and that's success. Yeah. I'm good as I am. I like slow text, no need to rush. Don't say forever, just build the trust. Don't need fireworks, give me real. I read your silence more than what you feel. I'm not cold, I just breathe. I show love when it's meant to be. I won't chase, I won't plead. If it's real, we both feel free. Love on my terms, not on demand. I'll hold your hand, I take command. No strings, no stage reply. Just open space between you and I. No drama, no perform. I show up raw, not in uniform. If you love me real. Not for fixing, but to feel. I don't post to prove I care. My love don't need a digital flare. Don't need matching rings or lines, I'm in. If you're good with time, let's grow slow, let's build calm. No fake spark, just honest bomb. You'll be you and I'll be me, and we'll see what we're meant to be. Love, on my terms, not on demand. I'll hold your hand, I'll take command. No strings, no stage reply, just open space between you and I. No drama, no perform. I show up raw, not in uniform. If you love me real. Not for fixing, but to feel. I've earned, not a cage, not a play, but a quiet, honest stay. Love, on my terms, on real ground. No highs so fake, they crash back down. If you're here, then be all in, with no filter on your skin. Got bills, sure got style, plenty. Pockets light but my soul stays heavy. Skip the flex, I don't pretend. Not rich in cash but rich in friends. I don't dress for net worth stats. I vibe in thrift and still look badass. I'm not poor, just not obsessed. Money don't define my best. Money ain't my mood, I don't fall for gold. You chase coins, I chase soul. I feel good in the cheap seat. I flex peace, they rent. Status, I lease, release, I laugh loud. Eat street food, still a king. Without the jewels, no shame in secondhand dreams. I make broke look supreme. You see budget, I see taste. Not a dollar in me goes to waste. Money ain't my mood, I don't fall for gold. You chase coins, I chase soul. I feel good in the cheap seat. Still front row in my own beat. Money ain't my mood, never bought this groove. You got things, I move true. I spend time not to impress, but to feel and to express. Your numbers don't move me. My vibe too pricey to be seen. This freedom don't come in bills. It's earned in silence and real feels. Money ain't my mood, can't cash this pride. I walk broke, but I glide. No logo makes me more. I'm luxury from my core. They run fast, I walk slow. Chasing trends, I let them go. Every clock is ticking loud, but my time is not their crowd. I felt the rush, I felt the weight. Learn to choose my own game. Even in the winter rain, I can grow in my own way. No text, no plan, still feel right. Got no one calling, no one to meet, but I still groove in my own beat. Don't need a reason to smile, don't need a crowd to feel alive. Just me, the sky, and steady feet. Freedom tastes a little sweet. I'm on my own vibe, cruising slow, playlist loud, got no place to go. Pocket full of nothing, still I shine. Got the whole day feeling like it's mine. I don't need noise to feel the high. I'm good with peace and open sky. No pressure, no showtime. With coffee steam, writing dreams, not needing a team. I laugh out loud at my own thought. No script, but I've still got plot. They rush fast, I hum slow, taking my time, letting it flow. They want peace, I want space. I'm not in a race, I'm in my place. I'm on my own vibe, cruising slow, playlist loud, got no place to go. Pocket full of nothing, still I shine. Got the whole day feeling like it's mine. I don't need noise to feel the high. I'm good with peace and open sky. No pressure, no showtime, just living in my own vibe. Solo, but I'm not alone. This silence feels like home. No drama, no reply, just vibes and open sky. I'm on my own vibe, feeling right. With no plan, I still ignite. Walking light with no disguise, just me, myself, and clear blue sky. Used to weigh every word, every stare, like life was a quiz. I had to prepare, but the more I planned, the more I froze. Now I just move, and it shows. I don't check twice, I just jump. What ifs, I dump. Trust the beat, trust the tone. Overthinking leaves you alone. Overthink, I think not. Brains on chill, heart's too hot. I ride waves, now worry loops. Feel my gut before the groove. Overthink, not my lane. Too much thought just clogs my brain. Vibe first, then decide. That's how I live, that's how I glide. That's how I live, that's how I glide. They draft plans, I freestyle. They check maps, I roll miles. I used to pause, now I flow. If it clicks, then I go. No more weighing yes or no, I just follow what I know. No spreadsheets for my soul, I do messy, I feel whole. Overthink, I think not. Brains on chill, heart's too hot. I ride waves, now worry loops. Feel my gut before the groove. Overthink, not my lane. Too much thought just clogs my brain. Vibe first, then decide. That's how I live, that's how I glide. trust in noise. I don't panic, I make choice. Overthink, I think not. Brains on chill, hearts too hot. I ride waves, now worry loops. Feel my gut before the groove. Overthink, not my lane. Too much thought just clogs my brain. Vibe first, then decide. That's how I live, that's how I glide. That's how I live, that's how I glide. Started out with shaky lines, trying to write what's seen as fine. They gave me scripts I didn't choose, played a role that didn't fit my shoes. But somewhere in the noise and doubt, I figured what it's all about. It ain't about being right, it's choosing your own light. I'm writing my pages day by day, spilling ink in my own way. No edits, no lines to rehearse. This is my story, unrehearsed. I've crossed out lines, I've started new. Learn to lose and laugh it through. It's not perfect, but it's mine. Every word, every climb. I've been the quiet, I've been the storm. Felt out of place and found my form. Sometimes I whisper, sometimes shout, but I always speak from inside out. I've lived in corners, I've lived in bold, chased the heat, danced in cold. Turns out all of it was key to finally just being me. Oh, I'm writing my pages day by day, spilling ink in my own way. No edits, no lines to rehearse. This is my story, unrehearsed. Some lines break, some lines bend, some just start where others end. It's not perfect, but it's true. Every mark is something new. I used to write for someone else, now I sign my name as myself. No need to fit the mold they gave. I'm the author, not the page. I'm writing my pages loud and clear. My voice is all I need to hear. No retakes, no need to fake. Every flaw's a choice I make. So if you read me raw. The highs, the breaks, the things I saw. This is me, chapter free, and it feels just right to be.
You said maybe I heard not. Took a hint and kept my cha-cha. Wasn't ghosted, I just dipped before your ego made me trip. No hate, no deep cry, just pat my vibe and wave goodbye. You play mind games, I play tracks and bounce back with no flashbacks. Thanks, I'm good. No second show, No more rules where I just drift. Thanks, I'm free. Light on my feet. You lost gold. I found my beat. No need to prove, no overdue. Just me, no we, and I'm brand new. Used to check, now I vibe. Took my heart off autoplay type. You still scroll, that's not deep.